Anyway, as you know, I've been out for a bit. I had knee surgery, cracked my tibial plateau, scooped out some cartilage on my kneecap, fun stuff. But today, I am going to be installing a high comp head that I got from Two Stroke Performance and their ECU, easy plug and play. It should be simple. Just going to drain the radiator, some stuff, take you through it. It's the best I got for now, guys. Love you. Okay, so this is the bike here. 2020 KTM 300XC. Drain the radiator. And we're gonna be taking off this guy right here. You can see behind there that it's got a copper washer. Crush washer. Oh, my brother-in-law's here. Just pulled up in the truck. Hey buddy. He's been. Work on the bike, fix it up, get it ready to go. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, so first, I'm gonna take off, I'm gonna drain this. Alright, so I'm just looking at the camera, so I gotta do a lot. Oh, yeah. Knee. Alright. Really cares. That thing. That's harder to do with one hand than I thought. There, let me hold it. There we go. Alright, so this one here
get some practice.
has a crush washer on it. You can probably reuse that. Sometimes it's a good idea to flip it over, I hear. But next time might be a good idea to change it. So, alright, next, gotta remove the seat. Got a tugger strap on there, in case you didn't see that already. On the newer ones, you only have one bolt right here. And it's a kind of a long one. It goes all the way through. The old ones, you got one on each side, typically. Hey, Mikey! Now we got my other buddy Mike coming over. We're working on the bike, homie. You okay with being on
Good to see you, man.
How you doing, man? Huh?
Good.
You on YouTube, you okay with that?
Little KTM action here.
A little brighter this time.
Because we have those lights on. That or you're like,
yeah.
Alright,
Here we go. Get these on the camera. There we go. Alright, what's up, buddies?
It's there waiting for you.
Hey, I'm calling you not a breather right now. How you been?
this just, once you take that one long bolt out, it just slides off.
Alright, what are we doing today? Roll chain?
No, I'm going to be taking the head off, putting the ECU, I got to take all this crap off though. So right now I'm going to take off the shroud. And if you could look in here, I took one off here yesterday, that bolt and that bolt. It doesn't look like the bolts are actually holding the thing on there, but you want to slide it over, so. Yes, sir. These aren't even tight, man. We have probably just that dude. And I'm not sure what else is going to need to snap off since I removed my ECU. Maybe this plug right here. All right. Pull this guy. Oh, gas line. Right here. Very similar to the thing I had on my cold sleeve. You have this quick disconnect. You just press up on it. I don't know if you can see that button underneath. Just gonna press and pull here.
A few drips, not much.
Oh, this is the part that I'll probably awkward little. There we go. That. Boop. That should be it.
Now is your gas tank full?
It's.
Or I mean, you have gas, so you don't need to drain the gas.
No, that quick disconnect right down at
Right
the bottom there.
Okay.
Yeah, no drips, and I got about half a tank of gas.
Okay.
Now would be a good time to like kind of clean that off a bit. Yeah.
I mean, the amount of weight you're gonna lose too.
Oh yeah. I mean, at least like a fraction of a gram.
At least.
Yeah.
Start to see the millimeter size.
Half inch.
Half inch.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. There ain't no play on that thing.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you're removing the head.
Yeah.
6 bolts. And
Actually, before you remove it, it's probably a good idea to pull the spark plug off so that you have some counter force rather than your hand, because I don't have a vise. So I'm gonna pull that spark plug out.
Look at that.
Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Wow, they don't give you a whole lot of room, eh? Let's slide off, yo. Something else I forgot to do was remove these bits, which I'll do here in a sec. All right, that's gonna be loose enough, but I can do that when I get it off.
You need a little
right here. It's got its own little thing.
little tab.
Yeah. Boom. All right. So for anybody who's ever worked, is that one rolling? Worked on hose clamp. This one's nice because it's at least a Phillips instead of a flat, but this is still better. So I can just loosen that puppy up without having to get a screwdriver involved. I'm a happy camper. And then you just pop this guy off. There might be a little leakage. No, it drained pretty damn good. Awesome. Happy. And then I gotta take these guys off. See where it connects to the head? So I gotta take that out. And one on the other side too. Now we get to the fun part. Just taking the head itself off. I'm just gonna loosen them all up before I don't want to crack that little sensor. Yeah, these guys, when they come loose, they just spin easy. There we go. All right, there's the piston head if you want to take a look at that. That's 30 hours on the bike, roughly. All right, we got one pin here, we got one pin there, we're good. That's what it looks like after 30 hours. You be the judge. Okay, this guy.
Will it hold up again? Okay.
Okay, and I don't know if they'll come apart now, but this is a two-piece head, right? And instead of using that spark plug, TSP sends another kind. They send the, does it say on the box here? It doesn't matter. Look it up online. It'll say. There we go. That one. BPR 8EIX. And it's going to have these two pinholes, which are going to line up with that pin and that pin. Right here and right here. Just got to kind of finagle it in there without disrupting these. I don't want to like pull out one of these guys. The O-rings. I'm going to push this kind of over and out of the way.
Hold it.
Yeah, you can. Real gentle.
You got the screw of that clamp facing the right way.
Yeah. I'm 50% sure. It looks workable, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it too. I'm just tightening the hose clamp right now, so I don't forget to do it later and have an issue. I'll have you guys know, I am not a mechanic. But I am pretty damn awesome. Just in general. Mike agrees.
I do.
Okay. So now we have what I call the cheater drawer. Owner's manuals. I don't know. Maybe it's stupid. I think a dirt bike channel. What does he do? Yeah.
Kyle Brotherson.
Kyle Brotherson.
Shout out to Kyle Brotherson.
Give us 2 free dirt bikes and I will make sure someone buys at least a couple t-shirts from you. So, like I said before, first time when I go to torque anything, I back it off a few, especially when we had that kind of tipsy-turvy wind of the head down. I backed it off 10. 10 foot-pounds of torque. So from 19.9 down to, I went down to 10 pounds, almost. I'm gonna do that once around, and then I'm gonna bounce up to the full 99 foot-pounds of torque. But you wanna do it in the star pattern? Bounce up, I'm gonna do the same star pattern, and then I do a final circle. That's how I was taught back in the day. So like, you got this, and then when you hit that foot-pounds, there it is. See that? 10 pounds, right there. And we're gonna jump across the other side. Do the opposite one. You want to be careful with aluminum too, so there we go. Because I don't have a deep enough socket to get over that. I only have this little, I don't know, $8 tool.
So you got the
So I'm just gonna kind of
feel in your hand right now.
This is kind of tricky because they're coming out so hard before. Okay, I got it. That's good.
How'd that feel?
That felt pretty good. We're gonna go with. People did this back before torque wrenches,
Yes.
so we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with that. Now the next one was 8.9 on this bad boy. I don't think I have a socket deep enough for that. But I bet that
little hand feel on that one.
with a super precise tool you might otherwise not have heard of before. It's called a, what is it, croissant wrench?
Croissant wrench.
Croissant
That's
wrench.
what- yeah, an adjustable croissant.
Yeah, you, like if you want less calories, then you adjust the mouth smaller. No, I'm not using that one. I gotta go. You just stay there. Alright, so we put the head back on, we put the supporting braces back on, everything's torqued. Just gonna put these boots back on. I already tightened that.
This little guy didn't line up and you did something.
Yeah, I loosened these up and just tilted it, put that in, and then tighten everything up.
Did you have to loosen this guy too?
I didn't.
Or no?
I
Okay,
didn't.
cool.
It's good. So all I got now is, where's that line? I'm gonna do it from the other angle, probably. Click, and then boot. Thumbs up. Get a little of that dust off there. This is already torqued down, so here it is. It do not give you any extra room to work with. Should work on a old V8 motor. Ain't nothing in the way. That's nice. There we go. That should be on. Click, click, click. Happy, happy. Rub some of the dirt off. That's tight, I believe. I'll find out tomorrow when I flush it.
All right, gas tank. Here we go.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, there it is. This plastic, you don't need to go hard. And then you got these bad boys. And this. Those bad boys. Yeah. Well, we're done, man.
And we're
Oh, you
done.
know, we gotta connect the fuel.
Ah, the fuel.
That might be good. There we go.
Sounded, there we go. Sounded good.
Yeah.
All right.
Look at that thing. Woo. All right, so
That was hard work, holding the camera the whole time.
for the first time we did that. So hopefully it helped. If not, at least you drank with us. Drank. You drank with us. Drunked all your favorite beverages. There it is.
All right.